This look like some robust booty meat. I ain't gonna lie.
Robust booty meat. Right now, I don't know what this is.
This is our last day. I feel like
Yep. Oh, this is so cute.
This is scarier than Legend of the Fall.
No, this is like the night before Christmas. It's like nothing.
I'm being sarcastic. Oh Lord. Look. Now this is what you call scary. Oh snap. You ain't glowing.
Okay.
Your jacket not as linear as you think. Mm-hmm.
Ooh. This is cute.
Oh my goodness. What's up, buddy? No way out.
You know what would make it scary? Is if that was a person and they were like, ah.
You know what would make it scary? If it just stood up.
It is standing up.
Nah, like it stood up.
Okay.
And that one too. That's a little creepy, I ain't gonna lie to you, just a little bit.
Got a dragon. Roar.
Hey, my God. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. This was scary as hell.
I swear to God, I thought I was too.
Damn, boy.
That was fun.
Oh, that shit.
No, I thought I was gonna be like, boop. You wanna do it again? I guess that's enough. Keep pushing. Keep going. Keep going. Is the ducky coming?
Come on, shorty.
okay, stay together and go.
Alright, let me try. He over here being a butthole, didn't even
Shut up and
record
do
it
the
the first time.
If I turn it off.
He mad because I got it quicker.
No, you didn't.
Look at them. They're just having fun.
Well, not the blue one no more. Start over.
De'Quann, stop doing that. Hey, you better not touch it this time. Please leave him alone. Let him go through. Stop. Stop. Leave it alone. You're such a bully. Get away. And you're mad because I did it quicker.
Never mad.
Let me see if it's this one. Let me see if it was just this one. Get the ducky home. Get the ducky home. You got that, babe. You got that, babe. You see him? He just chilling. Oh. That's how I was on that Ocean City ride when I jumped down. I was like, oh shit. middle. Alright, this time I'm gonna let it go through. I'm gonna leave it alone.
Damn.
This is so fun.
Yep, type shit.
We in the maze. Oh.
If this was taller, I feel so more claustrophobic.
Yeah, this is like hella tight.
Yeah, it's butt on
Alright. He's following my lead. You no you don't. And that little boy better come over here.
hell him. Live beat come through here, I'm running through all of them.
Okay. I'm trying to get to the other end. It got me stuck. Oh, excuse me. You see me, he ran the other way.
He ran so fast, I ain't see him.
Because he's a little kid, he's short. Oh, well, we got out some way. It's 2 ways. I wanted to get to the end. This guy.
It's so tight in here.
That's what I'm saying.
Good gracious. They trying to work their way through this.
My purse.
Sorry if the camera keep going down. I'm a little swole walking through this little ass. If it was bigger, we'd probably have been done.
What'd I tell you? A great sense of direction. De'Quann said he tired. I'm not really tired. I'm excited. That child is yelling. Why is she yelling?
She's supposed to be up there.
Typical kids. They go somewhere they're not supposed to be.
Nah, bro, that little boy really, every time I see him, this is the first time I see him with an adult.
He was just walking around. That's what they did.
Nah, hell nah, bro. That's a grown ass dude.
Anyways, we're not gonna worry about the kid. What the hell just fell?
I don't know. Everybody else been with all the other kids and with their parents the whole time. Yo, a whole 1-year-old. This nigga been walking around this whole park by himself. Every time I see him, he was on the slide by himself. He got off, went and gave the lady the joint, and walked away. I'm like, bro, who is this nigga?
He's smart. That means he's a smart kid. He's like he understands social cues. He probably has like some type of level of emotional intelligence.
Now you always try to make an explanation for shit that just possibly ain't got no explanation. There's
Shut
no
up.
way. All these other kids with their parents. It's the only nigga not walking around with him.
Leave this child alone. The mama was right there.
It's not even like, oh, he a kid. Bro, a damn baby. How the hell he what? This man,
He's
bro,
smart.
Every time I seen him, he been by himself. Only thing I ain't seen him on by himself was the hayride. I see him on everything else by himself. This nigga, that's a grown ass man. He probably drove himself here. That's a grown dude, bro. I watch this man get on. I watch this man. We getting off the slide. I watch him go to the joint, flap his shit down, scoot himself up, go down, grab the bag, walk back up, hand the bag back, and start walking around. I was like, where is your damn guy? Where's your
Well, he legit has some smarts that most adults don't have. I want to be alright. I asked the guy, I was like, can someone my size get on? He said, yup. forgot why that chicken look like that. That's like he got feathers, but I'm confused why his head look like that. Come on, Chay. Guys, we got to get on the hillside one more time, and then we probably gonna go and look at some pumpkins and then head out. You had fun so far?
Besides the fact I'm a little tired. Oh shit. Oh shit. See, I thought I was gonna fly off or something.
No, for real, when I hit that little jump, I thought it was gonna be like boom.
Shoo. Ooh. My damn back. The bumps was bumping.
Bumps was bumping?
Yeah.
There you go.
Good gracious.
Alright, y'all. Me and my husband are gonna take a picture.
Little see-through pants. Hold up.
You said hold up. De'Quann, you not even.
Cause you was on your story. Alright, hurry up. Put your head up. It's like, now you can pose all you want. Did you want me to take pictures on your Instagram story?
Did you?
Yeah. I took 2. I posted 1 and I already posted that one.
Oh, I didn't want you to post it.
Oh, my fault. 6'6".
No, you're not that far from like 6 feet, so. Sarate.
That shit, pumpkins was
I ain't gonna lie to you, this is so cute though, like different colors, different shades. I think this is squash.
This look like some robust booty meat. I ain't gonna lie.
Robust booty meat.
Like booty meat with a lot of cellulite in it.
I got cellulite in my face.
Nah, bruh. You ain't got robust booty meat. You just Miss Assalite. That's what my forehead used to look like. My pimples was crazy when I was 14. But they wouldn't like them big white pussy joints. They be just like, I just have a bunch of bumps on my forehead. I never really got them on here. I got a few, you know, I get some here and there now that I'm older, but, you know, I'm a little sexy now.
What kind of pumpkins?
Look like a big pepper.
Or like a pepper mixed with an apple or something like that.
Yeah, one of them green apples.
Look at the pumpkin.
It's me before she touched me, me when she touched me.
Hey!
Oh, this one got a butt crack. Hold up.
A butt crack?
Big nasty ass butt crack.
Hey, yo.
We used to get one of these little pumpkins. We had to get 2.
But we can go inside and see. It look like they got some more pumpkins over there.
Hopefully so. Yeah.
Let's go. We're walking inside though.
I should buy Russell some fire.
The market. Oh yeah. Oh, that would be a cute little Christmas gift.
Well, I know I can get something for cheaper.
And they got some fruit. Oh my god.
Butter. People said something about apple butter before.
Did they say it's good?
Yeah, I just don't like a lot of I like fruit, but I don't like a lot of
Well, look at that. Oh, I don't know if they got any pumpkins.
They got them little ones outside. I'm trying to see if we got to pay for them.
I'm pretty sure you got to pay for them.
They ain't got no tags or nothing on them.
I'm pretty sure they know what to type in. I guess we could just grab the one.
I've never been in nothing like that.
Okay.
You so eager to go grab a pumpkin.
Cause I want to grab a pumpkin. Leave me alone.
When the last time you been in the market?
When we picked out pumpkins last time, remember?
I mean, we could ask them how they go about the pumpkin.
I'm pretty sure you gotta pay for it.
I'm asking, bro. If I ain't gotta pay for it, I ain't paying it. Straight like that.
You know what my favorite holiday is?
What?
Yes.
Thanksgiving?
No.
Christmas?
It's Hollow Thanksgiving.
What? What's that?
Halloween, Thanksgiving and Christmas. I really don't celebrate Thanksgiving, to be honest. Shut the hell up. So no, my favorite holiday is Christmas and my birthday.
Perfect.
That's yours? I feel like I should have grabbed one of them. Well, this is perfect. Dang, you just threw it. This is a perfect one. It don't got the little thing on it. I guess I'll stick with this one.
I like this one more.
You don't want the little thing on top?
No, I like the roundness of it more.
Okay. But this one looks so scratched up. Hold up, can you grab that one?
Which one?
I want to look at it, see which one's better.
I'm trying to get my damn hands up and through there.
Oh, no, you can get it down. I guess I'll just stick with this one. Okay.
You do yours first.
Oh, all right, I'm going to guess how much it weighs.
Are you back from lunch? You want to do this register?
All right, I'm going to sit it down. Tell me if I'm close or not. Like 6 pounds.
Nope.
Higher or lower?
Lower.
Like 2?
Higher.
3. Let me see. Oh, that was close. Okay. That wasn't that bad. All right, you going to add yours now? You want to guess how much? She said higher.
I'm trying to test it.
Probably like 5.
This is real close.
433.
Dang.
I try my best.
556.
Oh, for real? That's a steal.
Dang, you said what?
You got the car ready?
Oh, yeah, I do. I'm sorry.
And then this is how you have Jordan fits. And then I don't have any hate stickers for you either. And there we go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, you have a blessing.
Thank you, you too.
That is it for this vlog. You had fun, babe? You had fun? I had a nice time. But yeah, on that note, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, eat a cheesesteak, a chicken box, and some crabs. Tell somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody to watch this video.
Watch it.
Hit the post notification bell.
Post notifications.
And we see y'all in the next video.
And we see y'all in the next movie.
Bye.
Hi.